on the data presented by Philippine Major Lenny T. Encinas, or the Police Major Lenny T. Encinas, at the 4th regular meeting of Provincial Advisory Group for Police Transformation and Development. Paracale is the number 1 with the highest rate of suicide for the last 5 years in Camarines Norte. Given this fact, what is your best advice to the people of this municipality in order to deal with this problem successfully, and why? Again, based on the data presented by Police Major Lenny T. Encinas at the 4th regular meeting of Provincial Advisory Group for Police Transformation and Development, Paracale is the number 1 with the highest rate of suicide for the last 5 years in Camarines Norte. Given this fact, what is your best advice to the people of this municipality in order to deal with this problem successfully, and why? Go!
I have 3 advices and solutions to this. Number 1, advocacy, campaign, awareness for all. Number 2, youth engagement. And number 3, faith in God. With these 3 steps, we will be promoting a more understanding and humane community for all, perpetuating the cycle of high suicide cases in Batobalani. And together, we can stand up as a more understanding and positive society where suicide do not foster and grow. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I would approach them with empathy and understanding, assuring them that their feelings are valid and they are not alone. I would remind them that there is hope even in the darkest time, and encourage them to seek a professional help and lean on loved ones. It's vital to let them know that their life has value and that they will be cared for. The heart strongly conveys a message when it knows how to feel and listen. Thank you.
Good evening. As someone who encounters severe anxiety and depression, I know how it feels to be in this situation. My advice is to be more prayerful, because prayer can move mountains. There is your friends, your family, and most especially, there is God. Let us help one another and uplift one another. Always be strong and keep the faith, because there's always a chance, and it's called tomorrow. Thank you so much.
In the light of the use of advocacies, we must promote such peer counseling and be a law-abiding citizen that is ready to lend an ear. Create organizations that will help people having trouble with mental health. It's okay not to be okay, and no man is an island. So let us end this stigma by starting not just here in your barangay. Let be the voice. Thank you.
My first advice is to seek help from family member. Everyone is facing difficulty, and what you have to do is to have someone who can stand by your side, who can hug you. My second advice is to pray. Everything with God is not possible. Remember on what is written in the Bible, Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know my life that is given to you, that is to prosper you, not to hurt you. It's only a challenge. Remember, I am free for humanity.